did not burn. Agreed? What else can you tell me about it? Match went out when it touched it? So it did not provide fuel to a flame, is what you're telling me. What else can you tell me about the aluminum? When it was folded, it kept its shape. What else? There's an obvious one about aluminum. It's one of any child or my favorite features.
It's an element.
It's shiny.
And it stayed shiny.
And it stayed shiny. Even after I tried to burn it, it stayed shiny. What else could you have described about it if I had given you a ruler?
It didn't shrink or anything.
All right, so it didn't shrink when it was exposed to heat. You could have told me its size. So dimensions of the aluminum, could we approximate it? Just a guess what size it might have been.
Did you just lunge?
That's his first lunge jump done.
Was that literally just a lunge or was it like
You could have calculated the length, you could have calculated the width. What else could you have told me? How many dimensions does aluminum occur in?
4, 3, 12.
Are you sure it's 4?
I'm a little bit worried.
0.
It has length, it has width, and it has
3. I said that. I wrote that.
I got very nervous. The other groups were like, 8. Like I've been to a 4D movie, but I've never been to an 8D movie. Would the aluminum have been hot if you had touched it?
Yes.
Why not for long? It doesn't conduct a lot, but does it conduct?
If it wants to. Yeah, I mean, it depends on how it's feeling that day. If it ate breakfast.
It conducts heat. What else can it conduct?
Electricity.
If I were to take an aluminum can and hit it with a hammer, what would happen?
Smash. Nothing will happen. It just stays the same. It's like putting a piece of paper with
Nope, just an aluminum can.
Oh, and it's tan. It would smush.
It would smush. What happened if I hit it with a hammer again? It'd smush again?
Yeah.
And if I hit it with a hammer again?
It might open. It might crack.
Is it going to turn to dust if I keep smushing it?
No.
Why would it turn to dust? It just
How many of you are like, yes, dust is likely? The more you smush something, like you asked me to draw the smallest piece of aluminum that I could possibly draw, and I drew you something like a speck of dust, because if you keep smushing it, it's going to turn to dust. No dust? No dust? What about Jack's group? Dust or no dust? No dust? Dust or no dust?
Click your heels.
Small pieces, very fine.
Very fine pieces. That piece of aluminum foil, if I took it and struck it with a hammer, very, very fine pieces?
Maybe.
No.
I don't know. No.
Okay.
Let's find out.